Today on JankyShack.com, we're going to talk about how to recover data from a hard drive that doesn't work anymore. I've got my solar panels hooked up to this battery bank. Hey guys, it's Matt from JankyShack.com, and today we're going to try something that I've been thinking about trying for a while, but now I have the opportunity, and basically I have a hard drive that will not be recognized by the computer, and I think it's a bad interface card. So I happen to have the same model hard drive, 1 terabyte Western Digital Black, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to take the interface board off of the good one that I've just taken all the stuff off of, and put it on the one that is not working so I can recover my data. Alright, so unfortunately when I recorded this originally it got deleted, so this is a re-recording. Anyway, what you're going to do is you're going to take a small Torx bit. This one's I think a 19, or I don't know, it's some weird size. You can buy one of these tool sets that has all the little bits in it. Anyway, go ahead and get all these screws out. Okay, and then this board just comes off like this little pad. So as you can see, these contact pads right here contact these pads, and there's 4 back here that go on these. Now when you go to put this back on, there's some like little studs that'll hold it in place, and then you can just put the screws in. I would recommend that you just kind of like lightly put them all in until they're just barely touching, and then get all of them in, and then go back for a second time and tighten them. So I'm going to start in the middle. Just barely tight, and then move my way to the outsides. And there you go. Alright, so I tried the board swap and it didn't work. It did spool up, but basically it was like an unidentified drive, and it said it was like 300,000 gigabytes or something. So what I found is on the old one, there's actually a little bit of corrosion on some of these pads, so I'm going to try to clean it up by just scraping it off and give it another shot with the original board. Alright, so I don't know if you can see this in the camera, but basically I'm just scraping a little. You can see how those ones on the left are a lot shinier, and I'm just basically scraping off the corrosion. So it turned out we were successfully able to recover the data and restore the operation of the drive. Especially with these older hard drives, this is probably 5 or 6 years old, maybe more. You might see corrosion like that build up. So just remember that this is a kind of like a last ditch effort. You kind of go into the mindset of your drive isn't ever going to work again, and anything you do is a success. That's kind of like the way you need to go. So if you don't succeed, well, your drive broke anyway, so whatever. Don't feel bad if it doesn't work. Also, I would definitely try the corrosion thing first, because I read online after I tried the board swap that it can damage your drive or whatever, but try the corrosion thing. If that doesn't work, if you have another board, swap it. If not, throw it away. I don't know. Pay money to somebody.